Hey guys, so today we're checking out the RedRock 4x4 Old Glory doors with mirrors fitting all 1997 to 2006 TJ Wranglers. So tube doors are a great solution if you're looking for some extra security and a little bit of peace of mind while you're driving your Jeep around with the full doors off. Now these are not only going to just help you feel more secure inside your cab area while you're trying to enjoy an open air driving experience, but these are also going to provide some extra styling, and this specific option is going to give you that patriotic styling, making your Jeep stand out. Now this flag cutout in the middle will also give you some extra visibility for the trail if that's something that you're looking for out of a tube door. Now these will be built very well, made of a durable steel material. You're gonna have tubing up at the top and completely surrounding the door, while also having some steel plating in the middle with that flag cutout. And you're also going to have a texture black powder coat finish on top that will provide some extra protection to that steel underneath from any rusting or corrosion, matched with any other texture black accessories that you already have on your TJ, and just overall provide that aggressive and off-road look to the side of your Jeep. Now what I really like about these is not only the patriotic cutout in the middle, but you're also getting a set of mirrors with this setup and limiting straps for the doors to make sure that they don't swing out too wide and mess up any of your paint or cause any damage to the body of your Wrangler. Now I personally really like the fact that this comes with mirrors. It makes you not have to worry about swapping over your factory mirror onto this door every time you want to run your set of tube doors, and you don't have to worry about relocating it. Not to mention, these are also a quality set of mirrors. They are pretty big, very similar to the factory, so you're getting a lot of visibility out of these as well. Now with that being said, these are gonna come in at roughly $500 for the full kit, and I personally think that that's a great price for what you're getting out of this set. Now this is not going to be the average tube door, and I really like that out of this set. You're getting that flag stamped right on the side of the door, and it's going to provide some unique styling in comparison to some other choices that have a more basic or a simpler approach. Not to mention, you're getting a lot of security here from any brush or branches on the trail, as to where some other options are more open. Now they may provide some extra visibility, but with this set of doors, you definitely are a little bit more protected. Now some other options may not even come with the mirrors. Again, you may have to swap those over, and then you're gonna have some other choices on the page that will have some extra bells and whistles like storage bags or even netting for the doors. Now again, I personally think if you're looking for some very unique and patriotic styling for the side of your Jeep, you're looking for a complete package and just that extra peace of mind while you're driving around with your full doors off, this is going to be an incredible choice. So install is going to be a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you no longer than 30 minutes to get this thing installed with some very basic hand tools. So speaking of that install, let me run you through that right now. The tools that I used for my install were an impact wrench, a 4mm Allen socket, and a 10mm wrench. So your first step to removing your doors is to take off your hinge pin nuts. Now we take our doors off very often, so we do not have those on there. However, our next step is to unhook our limiting strap so we can completely remove our door. So now that both of the hinges are free and the limiting strap is off, what we can do is open the door, push it up, and slide it out of the pins. So once you have one side off, you can repeat that process on the other side, and then we can install our new doors. What we can do now is line up the pins with the hinges on our Jeep. Slide that down on in. If you do have the nuts for the bottom of the hinges, you would install them at this point, but what I'm gonna do is install our mirror next. What we can do now is mount up our mirror. So I grab the Allen head bolts. I'm just gonna put those through the top so it hangs in place for me. Then on the back we can add a flat washer, lock washer, and nut. Once you have 2 on, it should stay in place so you can get the other 2 bolts in the bottom holes. So once all of the bolts are in place, what we can do is tighten this up with a 4mm Allen key and a 10mm wrench. Then we can attach our limiting strap to our hook, adjust our mirror, and then close up our door. So once this side is finished, you can repeat that process on the other side. So that's gonna wrap it up for my review and install. Make sure you like and subscribe, and for more videos and products like this, always keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.